In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Monday.com. Navigating through various project management tools can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to get a closer look at your tasks, timelines, or any fine details that are just too small to read at a standard zoom level. Fortunately, Monday.com, one of the leading platforms for team collaboration and project management, has a straightforward solution for this. Whether it's to get a detailed view of your intricate project plan, or to simply ease the strain on your eyes, zooming in on Monday.com can significantly enhance your user experience. Let's dive into how you can do just that. To start, you'll need to navigate to the homepage of Monday.com. This is where all of your boards, workflows, and projects live. Whether you're a project manager scrutinizing task timelines, or a team member updating your workload, the homepage is your portal to productivity. To get there, open your preferred web browser, type in the URL, or simply search for Monday.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're on the homepage, you're just a couple of steps away from zooming in to view your content with greater clarity. Now, the trick to zooming in lies within a simple keyboard shortcut. For Windows users, you're going to press the Control key along with the plus key. If you're on a Mac, you'll use the Command key in combination with the plus key. Each press will zoom in further, allowing you to enlarge the content on your screen step by step. This is particularly helpful when you're trying to focus on specific details within a large, complex board, or if you've found the default text size too small for comfortable reading. It's a quick and easy solution that requires no navigating through settings or menus, just two keys. As you zoom in, you might notice that everything on your screen starts to become larger, including text, buttons, and images. This allows for easier reading and navigating within Monday.com. If you ever find yourself zoomed in too closely, there's a simple fix. Just press the Control key and the little key together on Windows, or the Command key and key together on Mac to zoom out. You can adjust the zoom level to find the perfect balance between readability and getting a comprehensive view of your workspace. However, keep in mind that zooming in and out affects only your current browser tab. This means you can have Monday.com zoomed in for detailed work on one tab and keep another tab at the regular zoom level for a broader view of your boards or dashboards. It's all about optimizing your workspace to suit your needs at any given moment. For those who find themselves frequently adjusting the zoom level, consider customizing your browser or display settings outside of Monday.com for a more permanent solution. Adjusting your screen's resolution or changing the default font size in your browser can help make everything on your screen easier to read without the need to zoom in and out constantly. Finally, remember that efficiently navigating and utilizing your project management tool is key to maximizing productivity and ensuring the success of your projects. Taking the time to learn simple shortcuts and features like zooming in on Monday.com, can make a big difference in your daily workflow. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to zoom in on Monday.com, giving you the power to customize your viewing experience for optimal productivity and ease. Whether it's getting a better look at your project details or simply making text easier to read, this simple yet effective technique will surely enhance your navigation and use of the platform. So go ahead, give it a try, and make the most out of your project management experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making your workday easier and more productive with Monday.com. See you in the next video.